This is Maison Prince. Maison Prince is a Chinese brand run by young people, Gen Z. They are well known for their vintage, futuristic looks. They combine like the past with the future. That's why they also choose for this building. This building is from 1931, and with their futuristic point of view also, they blend all these things together. The decoration, the clothes that they make. They use like vintage elements with futuristic look.
Good night.
Perfect diary. Welcome. It's crazy, huh? It's from like the latest trends, 2025, 2026. In the container you see like new developments for next season. So those are not released yet. Different kind of finishes. These were dope. Here you see like all the local brands of China that use the fabrics of Yufeng. For colors, for prints, for fits, whatever. I had like a future plan goal with Tsing Wo, and one of those was to have to create a trade show collection in collaboration with an upcoming talent. And that is what I saw in Alain. And I said to Alain, I said, bro, you're so fucking talented in the things that you really want to doing. I have an idea in mind. Let's explore that idea together. Let's fucking go for it. And this is how manufactured started. So the things that we are going to create for the trade show collection, it's going to be like a full range of all the capabilities that we are able to do as at TsingWo. And this guy came with a plan.
And goal is 12 looks, yeah. Wide variety of fabrics, styles, executions, embroidery, prints. Just to let everyone know that this is who we are, this is TsingWo. Coming up with a collection is something that a manufacturer probably hasn't ever done before. So I really think this is an inspiring thing, especially for a Chinese manufacturer working with European talents. That's something else, I think, yeah.
Welcome Stanford students and professors, teachers to TsingWo. Welcome.
Welcome all. Welcome to our company. As Tom already said, I'm a foreigner. Are there any first timers here? I know a little bit how you feel, because 2016 was for me the first time to go to China.
Quite remarkable how fast people are churning this stuff out, and it's so much more of an intricate process than I ever thought it would be, honestly. Incredible. You've got to visit China and see how things are done out here. It's ridiculous. I was telling you earlier, I've seen more skyscrapers in Shenzhen than my entire life in San Fran, New York, London, anywhere else I've been. It's crazy.
But there was like a big support. The big support came from this company. They were saying to me, we trust in you, we believe in you as a person, so we will support you. I can still remember the day that I called him. And we started with the first conversations, and it still is taking shape. But I can tell you from now is that the things that we have experienced all together, to these moments of a lot of joy, I can say is that we found each other, and all these things that we have learned together, this is now what we share also with other partners that we work with.
Amazing, thank you.
Take care, everyone. Have a safe trip.
It was a pleasure. You were a great host.
Tom,
Yep.
tell us, what did we do?
There are Stanford students come to our company. It's really special.
And we shared the story of Tsing Wo.
And we got quite emotional.
I get quite emotional, yeah.
It's good, bro.
Yeah,
because this is part of Tsing Wo, because of the people. That's why. True.
She's you like a family, always.
Exactly.
Not like only company.
Yeah.
This is one people first time to come to our company feel like this.
Enjoy, bro. Welcome to China. We are back in the lab. We are at the headquarters of TsingWo. We are in the sample back room with Hua. He's gonna turn a cloth into a bag. He's gonna show us the whole process from the start till the end. Let's get it. We are now at Zhongda fabric market, the most iconic fabric market of whole China. Here you can find all the textures, fabrics that you are looking for, from nylons, jerseys, whatever you need, you can find it here. This is where it all happens, bro. This is like a playground for a future collection.
You always gotta feel the fabric before you can make a sample out of it. But it's always a 50% chance that the sample could fill, you know? If this fabric just feels good and you want this fabric, you just gotta use the fabric.
Yeah. And at the same time, it's also based on experience, you know? Like I wasted so much sample fees because I thought it was the right fabric for the right garment, but it came out really shitty, you know? Zhongda, we back. So we are now in Zhongda Fabric Market, and I'm gonna show you a price breakdown of a t-shirt.
If you're looking at price point, the fabric is what you're really looking at.
Here we have a really expensive fabric. The price is around 10 USD. So 10 USD is only for the fabric. You don't have the print, don't have the embroidery, don't have the workmanship. This product will cost you around 13 or 14 USD. You will have to sell this product around 60 USD to have a reasonable margin. So basically this is gonna be currently working on this set. This is fire. We are going over the 12 looks that Alain has created, and he's gonna show us the different kind of fabrics, the silhouettes, the colors that we're gonna use.
If this one comes really close. I also need to prepare like a technical drawing with these measurements next to it, but this sample already comes so close that I can just let the pattern maker copy this whole sample.
This look is fire, man. We've been working on this already for the last couple of years. It's about enrolling the new branding towards the world. And one of the things that we really want to enroll as well was the trade show collection in 2026. We're going to turn these catalogs into lookbooks. With the collection that we are currently making, we're really gonna, there's a whole story behind it. There's a vision behind it. We're gonna build the whole world around it, which we're gonna showcase the possibilities that we can do. Puffer jacket, denim, knitwear, woven jackets, fire accessories. So we are currently in the sample room and we are in the progress of making the Archive Pieces collection. And the Archive Pieces collection consists out of 8 pieces, and every piece stands and represents a story on its own. This collection we have designed together with Alain. And what's really special about this project is that we took the inspiration of how to make a sample. We broke it down to the bare essence, and that's why we choose a blank canvas color. And the next step, what we're gonna do, shoot like a lookbook. And I hope maybe in the near future we can represent it in an installment, maybe in a showroom in Paris or whatever. That's the dream.
We really want to highlight the products that TsingWo has made over the past 15 years.
I hope one day we can do like a big installment with all these archive pieces and really tell the story, what the thought is behind this. So we look beyond the label and really check like who's the people behind it and make connection with the people instead of making a connection with the label. How does it look on camera, bro?
It's a wrap.
Cheers, cheers.
Good.
Good.
好好好，知道。
What did you get? What did you get? What did you get?
Sarah. Great.
Great.
Yes.
You will shoot them from the back, right?
What do you mean?
I will stand here. Is everybody here?
看到没？2台飞机，一个大飞机，一个小飞机啊。那个在那里是无人机，那是飞机，无人机，飞机。哇，大飞机！哇，大飞机好！把它那个飞机，哪个机？
Okay, let's make one picture first. Come, Alain. Pierre, also come. Forward with the camera. You can make a still, right? 1, 2, 3. Cheers! Thank you all for being here. First of all, I really want to thank you for your support and being that cooperative. Without you guys, it wasn't possible. When we felt struggles, we found the strength from you guys. So thank you for that. And we have worked on something that is never done before. And the main purpose with this series on YouTube was to bring people closer together. And based on the things that we have done, I can say with the full trust in my heart is that we make one step closer to make the world a better place. And we could not do that without you. So thank you for that. Cheers!
Alain mission. Season 1.
Thank you all. 回来。